Strength training is one of the most effective ways to improve your health as you get older. It helps build muscle, support your metabolism, and improve daily movement.
Many people believe strength training is only for young athletes or bodybuilders. That simply isn't true.
Adults of every age can benefit from building strength safely and gradually. Another common myth is that lifting weights makes you bulky overnight.
In reality, building noticeable muscle takes consistent effort over months, not days.
Before starting any workout, a proper warm-up helps prepare your muscles and joints for movement.
A few minutes of light movement increases blood flow and reduces the risk of injury.
Correct posture is essential for both safety and effectiveness.
Standing tall with your shoulders back and your core engaged protects your spine during exercise.
Bodyweight exercises are an excellent starting point for beginners.
They allow you to build strength using just your own body before adding external resistance. It strengthens your legs, hips, and core while mimicking a movement you use every day.
Wall push-ups are a beginner-friendly way to build upper body strength.
They reduce the intensity of a traditional push-up while still engaging your chest and arms.
Modified lunges help build lower body strength and improve balance. The squat is one of the most fundamental strength exercises.
Using a chair or wall for support can make this exercise safer for beginners.
Resistance bands are a versatile and beginner-friendly tool. Light dumbbells are another great option once you're ready to add resistance.
Core exercises support your entire body during strength training.
A strong core improves stability and helps protect your lower back. A strong core protects your back.
Breathing technique matters more than most people realize.
Exhaling during the effort phase of a movement helps maintain proper pressure and control.
Proper form is more important than lifting heavy weight, especially as a beginner.
Focusing on control and technique helps prevent injury and builds a strong foundation.
Rest between sets gives your muscles time to recover before the next effort.
For beginners, 30 to 60 seconds of rest is often a good starting point.
Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Recovery matters just as much. Your muscles actually grow and repair during rest, not during the exercise.
Protein plays a key role in muscle recovery and growth.
Including protein in your meals supports the repair process after strength training.
Hydration also affects your performance and recovery.
Drinking enough water throughout the day helps your muscles function properly.
Sleep is one of the most underrated factors in strength training success.
Quality sleep supports hormone balance and muscle repair overnight.
Progressive overload is the foundation of long-term strength gains.
This simply means gradually increasing the challenge of your workouts over time.
A realistic weekly workout plan for beginners often includes 2 to 3 strength sessions.
This allows enough time for recovery between workouts. Caption: time allows proper recovery.
One common mistake beginners make is progressing too quickly. Avoid progressing too quickly.
Adding too much weight or intensity too soon increases the risk of injury.
Another mistake is skipping warm-ups or cool-downs. Don't skip warm-ups.
These simple steps protect your body and support long-term progress. Simple steps protect your body.
Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come.
This can be as simple as writing down your workouts in a notebook,
Motivation naturally rises and falls over time, and that's completely normal.
Building a consistent routine helps you stay on track, even when motivation is low.
Long-term consistency matters more than any single workout. A safe cool down after your workout helps your body transition back to a resting state.
Gentle stretching can improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Caption: stretching improves flexibility.
To summarize, strength training offers real benefits for adults of every age.
Starting with proper form, body weight exercises, and simple tools like resistance bands is a smart approach.
Remember that progress varies based on age, consistency, nutritious, sleep, and individual health conditions.
There's no need to rush. Building strength is a long-term journey, not a race.
Every small step you take today builds toward a stronger, healthier future.
Strength training is a gift you give yourself, one consistent workout at a time. Caption: a gift you give yourself, and
Start today with one small exercise and build your confidence from there.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment, and share.
yeah.
Train smarter, live stronger,